How to report someone on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to report an account on TikTok, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. After you do that, go to the account you want to report. After that, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see the share icon. Click on it. Then in the bottom, you'll see four options over here. Among them, go to the first option that says report. After you do that, you can either report the whole account or report their content. If you want to report the account, you can choose various options from over here or even go to other and then submit whatever you want to report. If you want to report their content, then just click on report content. Then you can report anything you want from choosing over here. So this is how you can report a person on TikTok. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.